Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Equifax credit report download with myEquifax easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Equifax credit report download with myEquifax, start by navigating to the myEquifax website. Once on the homepage, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the screen. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, select the sign up option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. After completing the registration, check your email for a verification link from Equifax. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the myEquifax website and sign in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Reports section of your account dashboard. You will see options for viewing and downloading your credit report. Select the option to download your credit report. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your identity and complete the download process. Your Equifax credit report will then be available in a secure PDF format. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your device's Downloads folder. You can now open and review your credit report at your convenience. Make sure to save the file in a secure location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.